Hi, it's Friday. Let's do our Haggerty. Ready? We're going to sing our alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now we know our ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? It's time for rhyming. I'll do it, you do it. Ready? Ran, can, ran, can. So, go, pour, pour, dog, frog, your turn, dog, frog, bone, cone, your turn, bone, cone. All right, we're going to find that beginning sound. I'm going to use my arm this time. This is the beginning of the word, and the end of my arm would be the end. And then we're going to come back to the beginning again. C, C, S. Good. Your turn. C, S. Pat, pat, P. Your turn. Pat, P. More, Your turn. More, Dig, dig, D. Your turn. Dig, D. Top, T. Your turn. Top, T. Good job. Let's do blending words together. Remember, we have two separate words and we're going to blend them together. Bird, house, birdhouse. Your turn. Bird, house, birdhouse. Spot, light, spotlight. Your turn. Spot, light, spotlight. Tooth, brush, toothbrush. Your turn. Tooth, brush, toothbrush. All right, go fire, place, fireplace. Your turn. Fire, place, fireplace. Note, book, notebook. Your turn. Note, book, notebook. The ending sound. I'm going to also use my slide today to find the ending sound. So this was the beginning sound. I'm going to use that slide to find the ending sound. And then I'm going to punch it up when I get down. Are you ready? Big, big, g. Let's do sock, sock, farm, farm, Your turn. Farm, Good work. Less, less, s. Good job. Your turn. Start on top. Less, s. And the last one today. Top, top, p. Your turn. Top, p. Good work. All right, I'm going to segment two words. I have one word, and I'm going to segment them apart this time. Fruit, grapefruit, grape, fruit. Your turn. Grapefruit, grape, fruit. Keyboard, key, board. Your turn. Keyboard, key, board. Indoors, in, doors. Your turn. Indoors, in, doors. Seaweed, sea, weed. Your turn. Seaweed, sea, weed. Toothpaste, tooth, paste, Your turn. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Work. All right, remember we're going to add, we have our beginning word and we're going to add a word to the end and then we're going to put them together for a new word. Head. Add band. Headband. Your turn. Head. Add band. Headband. Door. Add bell. Doorbell. Door. Add bell. Doorbell. Star. Add fish. Starfish. Good. Star. Add fish. Starfish. In. Add door. Indoor. Good. In. Add door. Indoor. Out. Add field. Outfield. Out. Add field. Outfield. All right, this time we're going to delete one of these words and we're going to figure out what is still left. So listen carefully. Bedroom. If we have bedroom, bedroom without the bed. What is left? Room. Good job. We have bedroom. Your turn. Without the bed is room. Good. Playroom. Without the play is room. Good job. Is room. Playroom. Without the play is room. Classroom. Okay, if we have classroom, without the class is room. Good. Is room. Bathroom. Okay, without the bath is room. Good. All right, let's do our poem. Old Mother Hubbard. Old Mother Hubbard went to the cupboard to get her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the cupboards were bare. So the poor dog had none. He had nothing to eat. Remember we talked about bare? Bare means it was empty. And when the poor dog had none, he had nothing, right? You want to see it? Okay. All right, let's make it big. I want you to help me sing Old Mother Hubbard. Ready? Okay. Old Mother Hubbard went to her cupboard to fetch her poor dog a bone. But when she got there, the cupboards were bare. So the poor dog had none. I'm so sorry. Old Mother Hubbard. Wow, what an awesome story that is. Hubbard, cupboard were the rhyming words. We had there, bear as rhyming words. Bone and bear were the words that began with the B sound. Bone and bear. They both begin with the B sound. Like buffalo, bottom, bone, and bear. Thanks for joining me. Good job, guys.